Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new theme on the Enki-Learn to Code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the theme button next to the skill map option at the bottom of the page and go to the create a new theme button. Here you can add a name to your theme, and you can select a purpose, company, social, educational group, or other, and you can set that private or public this theme. And if you don't, just click to the create theme button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.